Hey everyone, it's Michael and
Ruben
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, bringing you an almost ram unboxing.
2/3 ram unboxing. Woo.
Oh dear, the things we do, hey Rubes?
That's it. So we've got a bit of a continuation on a yearly series. We've got the next one in another series, and a sneaky Perth Mint one to come as well.
We have. So these are the rough-toothed dolphin.
Yep. So part of
Let me open it.
the dolphin coins that Ram have been doing over the last couple of years.
Yeah.
I know we've had the Fraser's Island dolphin. I'm not sure if there was a bottlenose in there as well, but I remember the Fraser's one. And yeah, just the rough tooth here.
So is that the description of its teeth, their rough teeth, or is it a description of its attitude? It's a rough-toothed dolphin.
Yeah. Grew up on the wrong side of the tracks or something, you reckon? Yeah.
Yeah. I suspect it's the rough tooth, not the rough tooth.
Based on the wide open mouth there with some
That's right.
some
you
gnarly
can see
looking
those
teeth.
choppers in there.
That's it.
Wouldn't want to come across this on a dark night.
No.
So beautiful design though, there with the dolphin coming out and the splash.
Yep.
As it leaves the water, and this one with the, I don't know, is that the sun or the moon peeking over the horizon?
I think it's sun. I think I checked Ram's documentation and it said it was a sun. I couldn't see if it was a setting sun or a rising sun, but yeah.
And then over the page, one of the last of the Queen Elizabeths.
That's it, with Ram's memorial dates there.
Yeah, beautiful coin, absolutely beautiful coin. They've done a grand job. Alrighty, and then to go along with it, we've got the latest one in the whale. Is it the whale series? No, it's the Antarctic series.
The Antarctic series. So we've had the penguin prior to this one, I believe. I think they're a part of the same series. I might have to later correct myself.
No, they are.
Oh, they are? There you go.
They are part of the same series.
I
Alright.
haven't actually seen this design at all yet, so I'm interested to see.
I've seen the artist's design,
Yep.
which is always a bit hit and miss as to...
If it's an accurate representation.
Yeah.
Well, the penguins were actually one that I saw the design of and went, oh, that's all right. But then seeing them in person, just the way the water moved and everything, kind of as you move the coin around, they were one that absolutely looked better in person. So yeah. I'm interested to see if that's the same case here for the second one.
I like this one. So this is the humpback whale. So again, you've got one breaching there.
Bit of a 50-50 split between the sky and the water. Almost cartoon-looking clouds up the top there.
Yeah, I'm not sure about the clouds, the background. I don't know if I like it or not.
But some nice texturing, I think, on the whale itself. Yeah. I quite like that.
And I actually like the way they've split it above water, below water. Yeah. I think that's quite clever.
Yeah, very cool.
Whereas, you look at the dolphin next to it, and I know they're different series, but just as an aquatic comparison, they haven't kind of gone under the water. They've given you an overhead plane view of the water.
You're sitting on a boat taking a photo versus having the camera halfway above and below.
So I think it's an interesting play on the design. I actually quite like both of them.
Yep.
And then over the page again, we've got Queen Elizabeth. For the last time, I'd suggest on some of these coins. So out of those two, which do you prefer, Ruth?
I haven't picked up any of the ones in the new series yet, so I actually have some dolphins already. Not of these ones, but some of the previous years. So I would probably be leaning towards them. But we're still early enough in the Antarctic series that it's. I think the penguin's been fairly well received, and so that's it. You've kind of got that potential for collectability there, and a bit more of an interest sake.
Yeah,
whereas the dolphin's a bit established already. I
like the design on the dolphin, I think, better than I like the design on the humpback whale.
Yeah, okay.
But it's a pretty close run.
Yeah.
I'll probably grab both, but I think the dolphin would be more my favourite. And then these ones are from the Perth Mint. Now, we don't have a lot of these in.
I did not know we were getting any of these, so this is a bit of a special order, I think.
Yeah, it is. These ones, absolutely grab them while we have them because they will not last long. And this is the Bullion Phoenix that Perth Mint produced. A crazy coin is what I would call that design. It is very, very busy. And I'm trying to say I don't like the design, but I do. And I'm not sure how to say that properly.
I think you just did. Why don't you like it?
I don't like the busyness and cartoonishness of the design, but I actually really like the design of the coin, and I like what it represents.
Yeah.
And I think they've done a good job. So while part of me goes, oh, that's too busy, the other part of me goes, actually I really like it with the frosted background on there. So it is a beautiful coin. Again, Queen Elizabeth on the obverse side. It's a 2022 coin. So it's not the commemorative design.
Yep.
It's the standard. So this is some old stock. This isn't buybacks. This is some stock that one of the suppliers had in the back of their safe that they'd forgotten about. I mean, no one forgets about what they've got there, but you know, it kind of drifts to the back and it's not at the front of mind.
Yep.
So we grabbed these while we could. So beautiful coin, very, very limited numbers, and we will not be able to get any more. So once they're gone, they are done and dusted. So if you're in the market for this type of thing, grab them while you can. They will go relatively quickly.
That's it.
And I think that's it.
We'll put all the links to those ones down below.
Right.
Thank you very much for watching.
Sounds good. We'll see you later.